Talk. It's a reels. Okay, you do it. Hi guys, good morning. So, nagbabalik na naman ako. Today is a Saturday morning. Tatapos lang namin mag-breakfast and after that, ngayon, plano namin today, maglilinis siguro ako ng sasakyan. Baka sasama na ako ng dalawang bata, si Alicia at si Ella. And after that, baka mamaya magga-gardening daw kami, sabi nito. Yeah. What new one?
Hi guys, today we're doing washing the car. So we're helping Mommy, Alicia, and Ella. So we're gonna wash the car. Wash the car.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that's why you need to wear it.
It's fine. She's gonna get hot for her. She's in long pants. It's okay as long as she has this over her. See, like how I have my top? I'll just get sunburn here. It's fine. I'll change it later.
So, yan guys. Naglilinis muna. Naglilinis muna ako ng kotse ko. And then next, dalawang sasakyan yung lilinisin namin. So, una muna is yung sasakyan ko. And then next is si Tom. Ayan. So, sobrang init na dito. Kasi, malapit na mag-summer. Ayan.
It's really hot.
Is it hard to clean? Huh?
Why does it look so dirty?
So I'm wearing skirt, so I don't want to show my undies. So it's really say, yeah, Bill with it like Mommy, and it was a little. It's like too hot.
So if you're wearing shorts and t-shirt, it would be.
Ang mas mahirap linisin is yung ito wheel. Kasi yung sa ilalim, sobrang dumi.
Liz,
Yes?
Ella's gonna get hat.
Ha?
Ella is getting a hat.
Okay. Minsan pag tinaman na ako, ginagawa ko na lang. Pag muna sinulit ako, minsan yun na yung ginagamit ko. Kasi, tagal kasi linisin, ano na sa dulo. May kagaya nito, silalim. Yan. So, kailangan pa linisin. Yan. Parang mag-1 minute na at hindi ko gusto na linisan, nahugasan, kaya yun. Hey, Ella! You okay there? What you doing? Like you're doing modeling. Did you put properly your shoes? Look at your shoes. It's not right. Huh?
Okay, I will fix it.
Fix it. What platting, Alicia? That? No, you cannot remove that. Don't know what's this. It's like,
Take off your ring. Do you want to get it lost?
no.
Then take it off.
No, I'm lazy.
You're gonna get it lost, and then you're
No, never. It's never.
So you've washed it before.
Yeah.
You're gonna get it dirty with the black wheel.
Don't worry, I will brush it. Not too much, don't put too much soap. Oy! No, stop it! Don't.
Hello, bring me this one.
Uy!
people. Oh my god, the motorcycle. The motorcycle. Okay, go watch with mommy. We're gonna move every single thing out of the driveway, including the car. And we're gonna put this in like fast mode, so you guys don't have to be like watching this annoyingly. So you guys can watch us. Drive montage!
Tapos na namin yung sasakyan ko. Next naman yung sasakyan ko. So guys, merong nagtitiktok dito habang naglilinis. Alam mo yung isa? You're doing a TikTok? Is it TikTok? What is it?
It's a reel.
It's a reels. Okay, you do it.
So,
Okay? You're okay, don't worry. Don't cry, okay? Alright, you're gonna fast. You need to be strong. Yeah?
put myself.
You're gonna come with me because you guys don't want to see you washing a car again. So we're probably gonna start like putting stuff out of the car and all that. So we're probably gonna start with the front because that's the cleanest. So yeah. Okay. Let's hope there's good lighting in this car. Oh my god, it's not gonna stay. Okay, so I'm probably gonna start vacuuming first and then I'll wipe. So let's go. Vacuum inside the car. It is very loud because Liz is hosing the car, so stand by. I got all the front out. I'm just gonna go to the driver's seat now. To get what's happening? No. Okay. To get anything else is in here. So the coolest part I love the driving seat is that it's like a little you have like a little thing and you like pop it out. It's like a little what's it called again? The things that you have in the passenger seat and the passenger seat, the front seat. And that, and it's like really cool. And Liz has nothing in here, but I would if I like had my drive. Put my keys and everything there, but that. So this is like a little phone stand that she puts her phone on. Oh, got it off. I didn't break it. And that, so she has like baby wipes and everything in the front seat. So I'm taking that all out so we don't like. So I can get every part of the seats and everything because I didn't get to vacuum much of the front seat. I just got a little bit and that. So I'm just trying to make sure that I got everything so that I can. Like, it's so cool, the front seat. It's like so forward though. Ooh. Like I can fall and drive right now. Liz's seat is so forward. It's like, how the hell do you drive like this? Could drive right now, like my feet are easily touching the pedals. I'm pushing down something. This would kill me if I did that. Anyway, let's vacuum again. So you stay there. Okay, I'm done doing it. There wasn't much stuff on it, including because it's the driver's seat. I'm gonna put you back where my really good setup is, where Liz puts you literally all the time. Oh my god, look at Ella, she's cleaning the car. So they clean the car while I'm cleaning Liz's car because like I love sorting out things. The back is the biggest problem. Because, you know, this kid, Ella, likes to make mess. Have you heard of that? So I'm probably just going to start to clean it all. Take it out first, everything. Her school backpack is like the cutest thing ever. Bro, I never realized, but look how like nice this is for Ella. So she's got like a little pocket in here. She can put like something. 2 cup holders that I've got a vacuum. Umbrella holder. And like her thing where she puts her iPad and everything. Coolest thing ever. Okay. Now that I'm done vacuuming and put the stuff back in. Wait, I've just got to vacuum one more thing and then I can start wiping. I forgot you guys. Alright, now I'm going to start wiping down. So I'm going to show you the things. So I'm going to start with the seats first. So this one I wipe down with. Yes, we do use socks. I don't know why. I don't know if you can see them because I can't see right now, but that's them cleaning. What is this? Make a new section, because so these are gonna go. I'll find this for them. No. No. Yeah, no. Yeah. So I'm gonna put these masks in like Liz's little secret little thing. She had nothing in it. But I'm just gonna put them in that little not secret, like every driver has it. Thing, so we always know where it is at all times. We're good. Now Ella's bag. Found a little place for it to make it a little cute. Isn't her bag the cutest? Like, so cute. And the back seat is really clean now. Oh my god, hello doggies. Daddy, can we get Uber? Can we get Uber? Yay! Go, 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 go. He said yes. He's deaf. So we're finished doing Liz's car. All we need to do is put this big pillow in it. Getting wet. Okay. Bye. Wait.
What? Wait. See you next
Wait,
time.
wait. They didn't subscribe. We got to see.
Okay, say it.
Okay, ready?
Don't forget.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Like.
Look at her hands.
So okay. So don't forget to subscribe,
like, and share.
Bye.
Bye.